Welcome to One Travel Maker. Today we're diving into one of Madrid's most cherished traditions, the San Isidro Festival. Join us as we explore the history, main events, and unique traditions of this vibrant celebration dedicated to the city's patron saint. The San Isidro Festival honors San Isidro Labrador, a humble farmer from the 12th century who became the patron saint of Madrid. Known for his piety and miraculous deeds, Isidro is celebrated for his deep connection to the land and his compassionate spirit. From May 9th to 15th, Madrid comes alive with a plethora of events. The festival kicks off with the mayor's speech, setting the stage for a week of festivities. Key events include religious ceremonies such as the blessing of the water from the San Isidro fountain and masses at historic sites like the chapel of the Pradera de San Isidro. The Pradera de San Isidro is the heart of the celebration. Here you'll find locals and visitors alike enjoying picnics, live music, and traditional dances. Look out for the chulapos and chulapas in their distinctive attire, adding a colorful touch to the festivities. Bullfighting is an integral part of the San Isidro Festival, with events taking place at the Plaza de Toros de las Ventas. This is the highlight of Madrid's bullfighting calendar, attracting top bullfighters from around the world. The atmosphere is electric and tickets sell out fast, so be sure to book early if you want to experience this controversial yet traditional spectacle. No festival is complete without indulging in local cuisine. During San Isidro, the streets are lined with stalls offering Madrid's specialties like entresijos and gallinejas. Don't miss out on the rosquillas, traditional donuts that come in various flavors such as sugar, lemon, and even chocolate. Music plays a central role in the San Isidro Festival. From traditional chotis dances in Plaza Mayor to modern rock concerts at Las Vistillas, there's something for everyone. Each night culminates in spectacular fireworks displays, lighting up the Madrid sky and bringing the day's celebrations to a stunning close. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest travel adventures. Viva San Isidro!